Hello everyone, welcome to Last Fantasy Gaming. This is a vlogging series that I do every week on Wednesday. If you do join me rambling, please subscribe, like, and share. Check out our Patreon and Discord down below as well. Due to a lot of things that's happening in the USA and around the world, if you do the same hobbies as I do, 3D print as I do, and play video games as I do, I wish you should stock up now than later because we still have a lot of surplus of 3D resin, 3D printers. I don't have to worry about Patreon or My Mini Factory of their prints and stuff. Um, they're probably gonna be the same price. It's just the physical aspect of it's gonna be a lot more expensive. Video games gonna be a lot more expensive. Um, I found a way to deviate it. I have friends in outside the country that I served with and been friends with through the sites, and I met them in person as well. So I'll be getting a Switch 2 for $450 multilingual pack in Japan, and getting shipped through the postal service, the U.S. Postal Service. Uh, but people here that don't have that, it's going to be a lot more difficult for them, and I do understand that. But if you have friends that you can trust and met in real life and hang out and stuff like that for years and years, try ask for a favor, like, can you get me my Switch 2 multilingual pack? Want the multilingual pack? You don't want the Japanese just single pack, because that is region locked. It's like 350. It's only Japanese, and I thought that was kind of weird in many ways, but looks like that is one of the things that's happening right now. Resin is going to be expensive because all the resins I know is made in literally in Vietnam or China, and there's a lot of surplus right now. And on Amazon, the one I use is Sunlu. I'm gonna buy like 5 to 6, 3 kilogram of resin from them, so I can have some on the side because I do like my 3D printer. I just spent money on fixing two of my other 3D printers right now, and I'm happy that I done that because I just saw the price on the site is twice as much now. My M3 Max went from like the VAT from 50 to $102. And video games, I wish you buy it digitally, or if you have stack of old games, so like I do, I have a stack of very old games, and I have a buddy of mine that turned my Raspberry 5 into an arcade system for a lot of the old retro games. You guys can do that, but I am probably end up pirating shows, games, and books. Books are going to be more expensive too for the TTRPG aspect of it, especially the third party from Kickstarters are going to be a lot more expensive as well. And it is troubling because I have a lot of hobby. Now it looks like I'm going to cut it, or I'm going to just pirate it off of the site. And is that a coffee that I just saw? My 19-year-old cat. Yeah, that's my little Ruby cat, Ruby. So it's gonna be slow. Just gotta bear with it. Just make sure you have enough stuff stocked up, because I have a lot of gray, unpainted minis. I mean, I have boxes of them. I have miniatures from the freaking 70s and the late 70s and the early 80s that I haven't touched, that people have given me. So I'll be working more on that. I'm not worried about paint, stacking about paint, because there's a lot of miniature painting companies in America, producing in America, so tariff won't be affected by that. Only certain things will be affected in the hobby for it. It's just that, it sucks either way, but you're just gonna have to prioritize it and see what's more important. So I'm gonna I'm gonna spend a couple hundred. That probably should last me about a year or two. Um, while it's still cheap, I'm also gonna look on Craigslist and Facebook Marketplace and eBay if I can find it a lot cheaper from another distribution. I was you research it and stock up. But resin is good for 6 months opened. So if you open the seal, it's only good for 6 months, or the chemical property will disintegrate after over time. So keep an eye on that as well. Um, I really wish we have a. I really wish I had the money to start a 3D resin company, because that will probably make a lot of money because a lot of people in America have 3D printers. But I don't have the money to start it or able to get a loan to start that because that is a lot of money from it. But anyhow, I was rambling. So we started working on the Champion of Sinesh. We are going to be putting up the alien miniatures together. We are probably going to look at some Kickstarters in the future as well if you guys are interested in that. We can start working on it. I got one person that was talking to me about uh, getting a Gorilla Glue, super glue for Gorilla Glue. It's good. It's great. It's just that even though it's cheaper, there's a bigger bottle for it. I still like my Loctite. This is the glue I use the most. Loctite is the best one that I seem to like a lot. Even though it might cost a few dollars more, I do enjoy my Loctite for it. I am testing out magnet tape and not that's a different cable. Well, I got magnet tape and actually magnet disc and test this out as well. Then we are going to be doing more D&D painting. I'm just happy I've stockpiled a lot of my old paints. I have you know, I have all that is freaking. The bottom is the oldest to the newest, so I'm good on paint. But I do need more resin, and I probably need more felt and other things as well. But other than that, I probably won't buy any more Games Workshop models for a while because that's gonna go up in price too. Because I'm trying to save it by Fulgrim. It's like $200 some. Now it's probably gonna be about $300 some, and I'm like, I'm not buying $300 for one model. I'm gonna end up 3D printing that sucker. So I'm gonna 3D print a lot of the Warhammer proxies. That's I'm gonna do because Warhammer in general is ridiculously expensive in many ways, and other plastic. But it is what it is, I guess. Anyhow, if you have any questions or whatever, in your opinions, put it down in the comments. But anyhow, subscribe, like, and share. Check out our Patreon Discord. Thank you guys very much. I hope you guys have a great day. Bye.